Ready to go, sir.
Hi Friday.
Hello, sir.
What's the weather Friday?
Sir, the weather in Visakhapatnam is light rain, and the temperature feels like 38.94.
Do you know that we can create Jarvis using vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and just CSS? If you don't know, this series is just for you. Now, as a programmer, it's our dream to create an voice assistant just for us who listens to our words. Right? Isn't that your dream? Yeah, maybe. 90% of the programmers have this dream. So today, if you don't know how to create a Jarvis for yourself, I am going to teach you. Now you don't need any master blaster professional skills for it, just some simple basic understanding of JavaScript, HTML and CSS. That is more than enough. So let's have a look on the project I have built for web, or Jarvis completely for web. Oh my god. Okay, let's get started. So guys, right now I am on my web browser, and in a few seconds I'm going to introduce you to Friday. Now actually we are going to build Friday, not Jarvis, because everyone builds Jarvis. You know, I am unique, you are unique, so that is the reason we are building Friday. Now let me introduce you to Friday. For that I have to enter the URL here. I have already hosted it.
Ready to go, sir.
Hi Friday.
Hello, sir.
Shut down for a sec, Friday.
Okay, sir, I will take a nap.
Okay, so guys, I have stopped Friday for some time so that I could explain you everything we have in here this Friday can do. Okay, so let's have a look. So on the top left corner you can see the time, and below it you can see your internet connectivity, whether you're online or offline. In the top center you could see your present battery percentage and the charging status, whether your device is charging currently or not. Currently I have plugged in my charger, so that is the reason this is showing charging. And on the top right you have your weather info. Currently I have not entered any location or something. I'm going to enter in front of you right now. That is when it will load up. And in bottom middle you can see the text. The red text is the commands given by Friday, and the blue one is our commands. Okay, fine. And here you have some cool GIFs which will just create a beautiful awesome look on your client, whoever watches it, right? So let me just refresh the page so that you could have it completely from scratch. You could have that cool effect, cool impact in your minds. So I am just refreshing it with Control R.
Ready to go, sir.
Hi Friday.
Hello, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay Friday, I want to change my information.
Opening the information tab, sir.
So guys, I am entering some data here. So let me leave it blank. In location, I will give my location. I am leaving this your bio section to be empty. Now just see what happens when I click on submit.
Sir, enter your complete information.
Okay, now entering a dash because I don't want to add any bio for now. And if I click on submit, so now on the top right corner you can see some weather report, right? Now let's see. What's the weather Friday?
Sir, the weather in Visakhapatnam is light rain, and the temperature feels like 38.94. Sir, the weather in Visakhapatnam is light rain, and the temperature feels like 38.94.
Now guys, did you saw that what happens? Now let me do a small magic. Okay, let me just tell you. Friday, can you show me the full weather report?
Opening the weather report, sir.
Now, this is absolutely something epic, guys. You just see here what is happening. Weather in Vishakhapatnam. Oh my god. Now it is completely based on the user, what the information you give. It is nothing is hard coded here. Okay. Now let me show you another glimpse. Friday, open YouTube.
Opening YouTube, sir.
Did you saw that? Now, Friday, search for the enthusiastic dev.
Here's your result.
Oh my god. Now see the magic what actually happens if it captures everything perfectly. Search for Google.
Here's your result.
Now, I have talked a bit slower so that my mic could grasp everything perfectly fine. Now see what happened, that search for text is not there anymore. Only Google is there. Oh my god. That search for has been removed with a small algorithm which we will be using while we are recording the tutorial for this.
Here's your result.
So now it has just searched for everything. I have talked in between. Okay, that is fine. Now if I do Friday, open Firebase.
Opening Firebase console.
Oh my god. Friday, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now guys, you see all these tabs are opened here. Now let me show you magic if you want to know about its commands. Now, Friday, what are your commands?
Sir, here's the list of commands I can follow.
So these are all the commands it can actually follow. If I say open WhatsApp,
Opening WhatsApp.
so it will open web.whatsapp.com. Okay, I have closed it because it's kind of personal, so let it be. Then I've added my Instagram profile, Twitter profile, GitHub profile, right? Now let me do a magic. Friday, open my GitHub profile.
Opening your GitHub profile.
So now it is not opening GitHub for us, it is opening our GitHub profile. Now if I say open GitHub,
Opening GitHub.
this time it opens GitHub. Open my Instagram profile, Friday.
Opening your Instagram profile.
Open Instagram.
Opening Instagram, sir.
See, currently I am not logged in. That is the reason this thing is actually happening here. Now, isn't that beautiful, guys? Actually, yes, right? And you have a lot of commands I have actually given here. Like, if you want to close this particular tab, I think it should
Closing the
close.
tab, sir.
I said close this. That is the reason it closed the tab. Okay. If I show you it again, just see. What are your commands?
Sir, here's the list of commands I can follow. Closing the tab, sir.
What are your commands, Friday?
Sir, here's the list of commands I can follow.
Close this.
Closing the tab, sir.
Now you just saw that, right? So there's a lot of stuff you can actually do. Even you can add more commands as you want. Now isn't that cool, guys? Now this episode is just the overview episode, guys. From the next episode I will be launching the code tutorials, that how you are going to build. We will build each of the stuff one by one with complete styling, with this weather setup that is actually coming from an API. We are getting these icons and all this stuff, everything from an API, and these are some stuff which is actually important. You are getting this data from the device this website is on. Now remember one thing, this will not work on mobile phones or some browsers. Cause what is the reason? Okay, first of all let me stop it because it will interrupt us in between. Shut down, Friday.
Okay, sir, I will take a nap.
So now it is asleep and it will not interrupt us in between. So where I was saying that this thing will not work on mobile phones because there are not much voice recognition features for an Android or iOS device. Web browser doesn't support that better voice recognition support for browsers in a mobile. and it will also may not work on some browsers like Internet Explorer or something, and definitely it is not going to work in Google Chrome also. Now why that? Now listen, why it will not work on Google Chrome. The reason is that Google Chrome doesn't supports that a website can auto turn the voice recognition, but whereas in Edge we can do that. Now I highly recommend you to launch this website on Edge so that voice recognition automatically starts. But else if you're trying it on Google Chrome, what you can do is go to the DevTools, go to the console and then type recognition.start and your recognition will automatically start, but there will be a lot of glitches. That is the reason I want to try it on Edge. Actually I'm using Edge and I always use Microsoft Edge only because I like it. It's a bit faster than Google Chrome and other stuff, and it supports some external features which I usually need. So yeah, that is it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want the tutorial, please let me know in the comments down below and share your suggestions about this project. I do have the source code with me, but I don't want to share it cause actually if I share it you will learn nothing. You will just do some copy pasting so that you will not watch my tutorials or something. You can feel that way, but actually the main reason is that you guys will directly copy and you will not try to understand anything. That is the reason I'm not giving you the source code currently, but I will definitely give you in the last episode of the series, so don't worry about that. Just try focusing on things, and that is it for this video. The next episode will be coming very soon, and bye guys. Just check out, the link is in the description. Just check out this project, check out this Friday, and bye.